Well, I'm here at the Matrox stand here at NAB 2018. We always come to visit this place, and one of the men we always speak to, of course, is Dan. Hi, Dan.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Yeah, not too bad. We're going to talk about Monarch LCS. Tell us a bit about what's going on here.
Sure, so LCS, we introduced it about a year ago. I introduced it to schools. Primarily it's used for school lecture capture. And it's been very, very well received. In fact, so well received when our customers start to install many dozens of these devices, they come back and said, you know what we really require is a dashboard on which we can monitor all the devices at once. Of course, this is an IP product, an appliance that can be accessed from any computer, but accessing dozens of computers, dozens of devices at once was problematic. So we introduced Monarch LCS Radar. It's a single dashboard that monitors all the Monarch LCSs that are on the network. It's color-coded interface, allows you to know at a glance which devices are operational, which devices are offline, and by selecting any individual device, you get immediately all the status information about the device. So the interface here, we have 3 Monarchs actually going. One of them is encoding. In the side-by-side mode at this time, it's encoding from the live camera as well as a PowerPoint feed. One of the other cameras, one of the other devices I've got highlighted, it's idle currently, but at least I now know that the camera is live and that I can view and see if the professor is actually ready to get going. Of course, we can view the schedules of any one of the devices. These products the LCSs are meant to pull information from the online video platforms such as Kaltura or Ensemble, scheduling information, where I'm going to FTP the content after the recording is done. So we've really got a complete set of tools to integrate with a number of online video platforms. We've got a great tool with Monarch LCS Radar to monitor all the devices, really making the job of the IT professional at the school easy. But what we did see is that there's other applications for the LCS. We have the Monarch HD and HDX that are single channel input streaming devices for live event producers. But they really are gravitating also to the capabilities of the LCS because there are 2 inputs and we can create a very simple production layout. Here again is the side-by-side look. So corporate events can easily be set up, one-stop setup, set your destination, set your look, start encoding, no other production required, so you don't need to bring extra staff. Sure, if you want to have a switcher with multiple inputs, some audio boards and whatnot, but for some of those events where the budgets are tight, you want to be able to show up there, set up your camera, take the PowerPoint feed in, press one button, and off you go. Streaming to YouTube, streaming to your Facebook account, or just recording the device for a download, a VOD download later. So the LCS, again, new great software features and applications that are finding, while schools are definitely a target for this, there are other live event producers who are really finding uses for the device.
Dan, amazing as always. What's the availability of Radar?
So Radar is available as of today. It is a free download for any LCS user. So this is a tool that we offer all of our current users. So you can visit us at matrox.com/video.
Dan, as always, thank you very much. Well, there you go. If you've got an LCS, Monarch LCS, then of course LCS Radar is now available, and don't forget to check out the website for more information on the whole Monarch range here from Matrox. For more from NAB 2018, look at our website, kitplus.com.